morning, Panthers. Guys, we're coming down to the home stretch. Only 4 weeks of school left. So I want you guys to continue to hang in there, do well. I see we have so many people reporting for teleschool and doing all of the assignments. You guys are watching videos. And Coach Young was very excited because I had a nice group of students who came in and did a live session with me last Friday. I'm looking forward to seeing more of you guys. We're doing another video on basketball this week. So I'll see you guys. Remember, our week for PE, K through 2nd, is on Friday. And for the older students, 3rd through 5th, yours is also on Friday, 12:30 to 1. Today is you guys' Fun Friday activity. And what we're going to do here is an activity that's called laundry basket soccer. Again, because you guys are at home, you don't always have access to the equipment and things that we have in the gym to use. So you have to do what my mom always said, use what the homeowner has. So we have a laundry basket here, which is our soccer goal. I took some pieces of paper and I just balled them up. I took painter's tape and taped it around the ball to make it a little bit stronger when you kick it. As you see here, I also applied painter's tape to the floor to set up our little scoring areas. If you don't have cones, and you all see Coach Young have cones here, I have a cone that's marked 3 and another cone that's marked 5. You can do any kind of point value you want. When I saw the idea for this activity, the gentleman had 3 and 5, so that's why I picked it. But whatever your point value is for the soccer, then what you can do is take a sheet of paper and you can write it, lay it next to the 2 lines here, and you will take the ball that you have and place it at the first line. I'm going to grab my timer here. And as always with our Fun Friday activities, you have 1 minute to go through the activity. Again, this can be done by yourself, and you can go through it multiple times to see if you can beat your original score. You can do it with a family member, and you guys kind of compete against each other. But what we're going to do here is, as I said, I have the ball set up first on my 3 line, and then I have another line back here that says 5. I'm going to start my clock in a second. 1 minute starts now to see as many points as I can get. Alright guys, and that's my time. After adding up all the goals that was made, Coach Young got 22 goals in a minute. So this is your Fun Friday activity. It's called soccer, laundry basket soccer. Again, I just want to let you guys know we're coming up on the home stretch. I hope you guys are staying safe, making sure you're washing your hands. Remember, as Coach Young, Coach Amy said in our videos as well as the live sessions, please make sure you stay hydrated during this time. Whenever you're doing an activity, just because you're either in the house or indoors, we still want to make sure we're staying hydrated. And I look forward to seeing you guys at our live session, K through 2nd, 12 to 12:30 this Friday. Take care.